In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this buttery garlicky mushroom, nicely crispy sauteed mushroom. For that, here I have taken wide pan. Into that I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil for 1 pound of mushroom. And add mushroom to your pan and try to use wide pan so that way your mushroom get nicely sauteed instead of mushy and steam. Just give a couple seconds. After that, add salt to your taste. As soon as you will add salt, they will start releasing the moisture, and then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now mix it very well. You can increase or decrease amount of garlic you use for your mushroom. I find 1 tablespoon works perfectly fine. It gave nice garlicky flavor. And now let this mushroom garlic cook. Our garlic has cooked nicely. Now into this I will add chili flakes to your taste. You can also use black pepper instead of chili flakes, and I will add a little bit of Italian seasoning and a splash of water and give it a stir, so that way after adding water it will release all the good flavor which are sticking to your pot. And now I will add about tablespoon of butter. Add butter at the last so you will get nice shiny mushroom with buttery flavor as well. Now cook until mushrooms are nicely soft and absorb all this buttery and garlicky flavor and butter is completely melted. And as you can see, our mushrooms are ready and they're so shiny because of the butter we have added. And that's it. Here is our delicious mushroom recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a try.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to watch all other videos listed right here, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.